It's so cold today. I woke up freezing and I really wanted a hot drink. So the other day I got some things for a pumpkin spice latte because I was really craving it. And pumpkin spice latte just like feels like fall, honestly. And I'm like, how hard can it be? I'm gonna make myself a nice little hot pumpkin spice latte to start off my morning. Let's try it. It's actually much more pumpkin-y than the ones in Starbucks. I think it's because of the pumpkin puree. But it's really good. Sometimes I think the one at Starbucks is a little too sweet, so I made it less sweet and I really like it. This is like the best feeling ever. Hot drink on a cold fall day. Are going apple picking. We're going to this place called Davy's Apple Farm. Never been there. We usually go apple picking every single year, and it's usually just like an hour away from the city, so it's a nice little getaway. I want to get Fuji apples.
Fiji.
Are you sure it's not Fuji?
Wait, it might be Fuji.
I think it's Fuji.
I think it's Fuji. Yeah, I think it's Fuji. I think you're right. Yeah, right. It's Fiji water.
Oh my god. I want to get Fuji apples. Wait, Fiji?
Fuji.
Wait, I'm gonna look it up. Fuji.
Fuji apple.
Fuji apples. And I want to get Honey Crisp.
You're a bad apple picker.
Put it in the bag. They're a little tiny, but they look pretty good. I think it's a good one. Oh man, it's all the way up here. Oh no, it's a bad one.
That's what you wanted?
It's bad. There's another one here. This one's okay.
Stop eating grass.
Could my apple? He wants the grass.
This little guy right here.
Eating a leaf?
Yeah.
With a scarf?
I think he's cute.
I don't know if I like Frankenstein. Because he's supposed to be a martini. I think that's kind of funny. It's kind of cute. Which one?
The best?
This one's definitely the best.
Yeah, this guy's the best.
He's so cute. This is so nice. I miss this a lot because last year when we were in California, we weren't able to do these like very fall-esque things. Fall in New York just hits different. I love apple picking every single year.
We get to do a lot of like fall activities here. It's nice spending time with you and Kobe.
Oh, it's very nice of you to say, Mr. Sampson. My favorite is definitely just like coming home on a nice, cold, crisp day and just being like warm and cozy on the couch and watching like a movie, drinking some hot chocolate.
Like cozy, but not too cold.
Yeah, like this time of the year. Because then once it hits like December, it gets really cold. But right now,
go outside no more.
It's so nice. We don't really know what we're doing, but we're figuring it out together. Just picked up some dig-in, or dig now, a little post-workout meal. I feel like I had a really good workout today, and it feels good. It's such a beautiful day out today. It's like 70 degrees. I think it's the last nice day for a while, so trying to soak it all in and enjoy the weather. Did a nice workout, eating something healthy. I'm being that girl right now. But I also had Taco Bell last night. Wow, that was exhausting. That was a whole workout.
I think we deserve a good meal.
Hot pot.
Okay.
It's another rainy day. It's actually really nice walking around the city on the weekend, especially when it's raining because there's just nobody around and it's so calm. We're in the West Village right now, going to get some brunch and maybe pop into like a coffee shop or a bookstore. There's a lot of really cute independent stores here.